already I completed my first video in chapter 1, but it is a second video of chapter 1. Table of 12. Already I have learnt you in our table of 0 and 1 also have a new pattern. But here also is the same, but some different is second method is there of table of 12. Now I am starting table of 12. You already learned in the previous video. You have learned in a previous video table of 0 and 1. But I given you in a homework table of 1 to 10. Also, already you tried it now? Yes. If you any problem, then again check it table of 1 and write down 2 to 10 table also you will try. And 11 also like this pattern. Here is a table of 12. 10 ones are 12. 10 twos are 24. You also follow me and speak with me. 12 threes are 36. 12 4 are 48. 12 5s are 60. 12 6 are 72. 12 7s are 84. 12 8s are 96. 12 9 are 108. 12 10s are 120. Got clear? But or you also in the previous video learn like this. So now I learned you in the second pattern of a table. So mostly students learn the table of 1 to 9 is a properly, a 1 to 10, a 1 to 11. It's a mostly you learned everyone. But sometimes they forget the table of 12, या 13, या 14 something more table. More table you forget. When this time teacher you learn the table, you learn. After that you forget. So have a new pattern of the table. I learned you. If you any confusion, then again check my video and follow it. Okay, using which value I am here and write down there. So also you will try 100%. I am sure that you make a new table 13, 14, 15 in a homework. So firstly what do you do? Write down 12. 12 means that you have a 2 digit 2 and 1, and you also learn the table 2. So 2 table is there. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Got okay? Now write down table of 1, 1, 2, 1 ones 2. Already you write down. Okay? Now firstly you take one's value. One's value is here. Mean that 2 is write down there. Mean that 4 write down here. Mean that 6, one's value is 6, so 6 is write down here. One's value is 8, you write down here 8. One's value is there, write down here 0. There have a one's value, but there have a tens value. You look it now? Yes. So in a tens value have a carry 1, 0, 2, one's value 4 is there 4, 6 is write down here 6, 8 is one's value, write down here 8, one's value is 0, write down here 0. Clear? Now there is no carry, so no added by 2, no added by 3, no added by 4. So write down 1, 2, 3, 4. No any changes there because they haven't no carry. So there have a carry, so you added the carry of the next number. Mean that 5 is here, carry 1 is there. 5 or 1? 6. Yes, 5 or 1, 6. So you write down here 6. 6 and 1. 7. So write down here 7. 7 and 1. 7 and 1 is equal to 8. So write down here 8. 8 and 1 is 9. So you have a 9. 9 and 1. You have a 10. 10 is there. table. Mean that 12, 12 ones are 12, 24, 12 twos, 3s are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108, 12 tens are 120. You have a new pattern of a table 12. So clear? So now your table is complete. But next I will teaching you number names. Now I learn you number names from a new chapter. Number names have a 100. Some number is there 100, 110. Some numbers you have written. So already you know very well it is a 100. So you write down in the number name 100. Here you have a 110. Mean that ये 1 place, 10 place and 100 place. 100 place have the 1 and 10 place have a 1 and 1 place have a 0. But you can write to 100 place have the 1, 100 and both number you tell 10. So like this all number write down 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170. You write down have a same pattern. And also some number is there, but their number is some different because each row have a 100. But here it start from the 2. Mean that a 100 place have a 2. H mean that 100. So 100 place have a 2. So you already told 200. Here is some difference. 1's place is 0, 10's place is 5 and 100 place have a 2. So speak you with the both numbers. You have a 2 digit and you tell 50. So write down 100 place have a 2. So 250. Same thing here. 290. Here 100 place have a 3. So you write down 300 and you can tell 15. So you have a 315. 326. Write down 326. 400 place have a 4. So you speak 400 and write down also 400. 445. This is your number name. Some number name is there and some number given in the homework. In our chapter name is what? Where to look from. So you have in a book mirror halves. Mirror half means half. When you take anything at home या in a you example of a tomato. Yeah, example of a potato. Yeah, example have a lemon. When you cut the potato in a center, so you have the two pieces equal part. So equal part you can say half. And as a lemon, when you cut the from of center, then you have the same part in the both pieces, and one piece you can say half. So same thing is here. Some figure is mentioned there. First figure you know very well, it is a triangle. Second figure you have a square. Third figure have a rectangle. Is the alphabetical letter B. B for boy. M. M for monkey. And T. T for tiger. Or you can also half. Half mean that देखिए. Also I am highlighted there. In the red pen, when you have in the second way, you can say symmetry. So you draw a line. ये line is there and also line is there. Also line is there and in center is there. M also have a line in the red pen and also have a T. When you have, so you got it the some symbol. Is it like this? It's a square like this. Half portion is the have a rectangle half piece. B have a half portion. M of have a half portion or T have a half portion. So it is a mirror of herbs. That's thing in your chapter. So today I completed your this chapter and some work is left from the chapter 1. So I will tell in next video. Now pause your video and note down homework. Tables, complete number and make of herbs. Okay, thank you.